Search engine optimization. Like, people always think that it's a mystery or it's impossible to use it for your benefit. So please understand, search engine optimization is simply a process. It's a process you can fully understand. It's a process you can fully manage. It's something you can do yourself. It's no mystery, it's no secret, and you don't need anything, just a logic. So please understand, when you go for search engine optimization and also social media optimization, you just understand how is working the process of understanding what content to create. So you create keywords, you proceed the keywords research, you create a content, you organize the content, and you create the website. The same you do with your social media, with Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and then of course you create all the content and you get the backlinks. You get the backlinks and you use different strategies that I am giving to you to get backlinks, like from Wikipedia and from highly authoritative websites. And then of course you use the power for e-commerce, and also you can use it for local search engine optimization. So I give you step-by-step guide. And of course you have to use Google My Business, Google Maps, Google Listings, no matter how you call it. It's so powerful. I am also giving it to you so you can use it and you can get many clients. It can greatly boost all your search engine optimization. But we are not going to concentrate just on the search engine optimization, but also on social media optimization. How you can optimize your Facebook business page. How can you use Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube for backlinks. How you can use the power of social media, power of sharing, and how you can all connect it together. So basically you use the traditional search engine optimization and the modern social media optimization, and you unite it into one great solution. So please enjoy it, please use it, and be happy and be successful.